In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printful clip art. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, place, and adjust clip art on a product so your idea looks polished and ready for production. Start by opening the Printful website in your browser. From the homepage or your dashboard, look for the Add Product option and click it. This takes you into Printful's product catalog. Choose the type of product you want to customize, like a t-shirt, hoodie, tote, or mug, and then proceed to design. As you browse, keep the print area in mind. Different products have different printable zones, and that can influence how large or detailed your clip art should be. Once you select your product, the design tool will open. You'll see a large canvas representing your item, along with controls on the sides for layers, colors, and placement. Take a second to note the dotted or shaded outline that marks the printable area. Staying inside that boundary helps avoid issues during fulfillment and keeps your design neatly positioned. Next, click Add Design or Clip Art. Depending on the interface, you might see a tab or button labeled Clip Art inside the Add Design menu. Choose that to access Printful's built-in library. This is where you can browse a wide collection of graphics without uploading your own files. Browse the clip art library by scrolling through categories or using the search bar to find something specific. Try keywords that describe the style or theme you want. As you explore, consider how the graphic's colors will look against your product color. High contrast combinations are easier to see and tend to print more clearly. If the library offers color variations or style options for a graphic, pick one that aligns with your brand or the mood you're going for. Select a clip art you like and add it to your design. It will appear on the canvas ready to adjust. You can click to highlight it and the tool will display handles around the graphic. Resize and position the clip art by dragging the corners to scale it up or down while keeping proportions intact. Use the side handles if you need subtle tweaks, and rotate if your layout calls for an angled look. Alignment guides often appear to help you center the design or align it with edges. Keep a bit of breathing room from seams and edges and aim for a balanced placement. Center chest on apparel is a classic, but feel free to nudge until it feels right for your product. That's the process for using Printful clip art. Open the site, add a product, enter the design tool, browse clip art, place it, and fine-tune the size and position for a clean, professional result.